Fractions. Today we are going to revise this chapter, which will cover the entire topics as well as the subtopics. Let's see the first sum. The given question is like you have to find the product. The question given is in mixed fraction. First you have to convert this into improper fraction. 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1 4. 9 by 5 into 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2. 20 by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are 5 1s are 5 4s are 3 into 4. So your final answer is 12. Let's see the second sum. 16 2 by 3 divided by 4 1 by 6. You have to divide, but first and foremost convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 16 3s are 48 plus 2. 50 by 3 divided by 6 4s are 24 plus 1. Now in this we have learnt, keep this as it is, change this division sign into multiplication. Now reciprocal of 25 by 6 is 6 by 25. 25 ones are 25 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 twos are 4 by 1. So your final answer is 4. Third sum, 3 by 4 of 3 years equals, they have told you to get the answer in months. As we know, 1 year equals 12 months. So let's solve how to do this sum. Solution. Of represents what? Multiplication. So 3 by 4 into 3 years. So 9 by 4 years has to be converted into what? Months. Into what? Who can say? Years to be converted into months. So 12. 4 3s are. So your final answer is 27 months. So just write it down, 27. Let's switch to fourth question. 3 by 5 of 3 hours equals dash minutes. As we know, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Solution. 3 by 5 of represents multiplication. 3 hours. So it is nothing but 9 by 5 hours, which has to be converted into what? Minutes. So 9 by 5 into 60. 5 12s are 60. So your final answer is 108 minutes. So just note down the solution in this way. Okay. Let's switch to next sum. Reciprocal of 19 1 by 3 is dash. Solution. First convert this 19 1 by 3 into improper fraction. 19 3s are 57. 57, that is 58 by 3. Now reciprocal of 58 by 3 is 3 by 58 is your answer. Sixth one, put, or you can say compare. Let's see how to do. 6 by 5 box 8 by 7. When you see such sums, what you have to do? You have to cross multiply. Okay, so 6 7s are 6. This is your solution. And 8 5s are 6 7s are. This is also called as which method? Butterfly method. 6 7s are 42. 8 5s are 40. So which is greater? 6 by 5 is greater. Let's switch to next sum. The value of 3 2 by 9 plus 8 1 by 3 is dash. So Even though the questions are objectives, you have to solve and get the answer. Instead of doing it mentally, try to solve with steps and get the correct solution. Now, 3 2 by 9 plus 8 1 by 3. Convert this into improper fraction. 3 nines are 27 plus 2. Okay. Now, 3 nines are 27. That is 29 by 9. 8 threes are 24. 25 by 3. So here what you'll do, into 3 into 3 into 1 into 1. So you have found out the LCM of 9 and 3. LCM of 9 and 3 is what? 9. So 29 by 9 plus 75 by 9. Since the denominators are same, so you can add 29 plus 75 by 9, which equals how much? 104 by 9. Divide this as the answer is in improper fraction, which is equal to 11 5 by 9. So this is your final answer. Let's switch to 8th question. Find 2 by 5 of 30. Of represents what? Multiplication sign. 2 by 5 into 30. So 5 ones are 5 six are. So your answer is 12. Now let's switch to next question, which is very important. Arrange the following in ascending order. What do you mean by the word ascending? Small to big. Ascending means small to big. Let's see the first question. 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. When you see the fractions, the denominators are different. So first and foremost, we have to find the LCM of 3, 4, 2, 6. So how to do? Let's see. 3, 4, 2, 6. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 table, 2, 1, 1. Again 2 table, 1, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, LCM of 3, 4, 2, 6 equals 3 into 2 into 2, which is equal to what? 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. This is nothing but your common denominator. Very important question. This question is very important. Now, note down the question. 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 6. Now what you want in the denominator? You want 12 into 4 into 4. Make equivalent fractions. Into 3 into 3. Into 6 into 6. You have to make the denominators 12. Into 2 into 2. So in this way, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, 6 by 12, 10 by 12. Okay, so ascending order. What is your ascending order in this? Small to big. So 6 by 12, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, 10 by 12. But this is not your actual question. So your actual question is what? Which states 6 by 10. So your actual question is 1 by 2, then 8 by 12, 2 by 3, 9 by 12, 3 by 4, and 10 by 12. 10 by 12 means 5 by 6. That is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. Either you can write the answer in this form or this form. Okay, in this way we have found out and we have learned how to arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Now the last topic we are going to see in this chapter is arrange the following in descending order. The following in descending. What do you mean by the word descending? Descending means big to small. Descending means big to small. Let's see one question. 5 by 6, 1 by 3, 2 by 9. Solution. Again, this sum is very, very important. As the denominators are different, first find LCM of 6, 3, 9. How to find LCM? Just see 3 table. 3 twos are, 3 threes are 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM of 6, 3 and 9 equals 3 into 2 into 3. 3 twos are 6, which is your 18. This 18 is nothing but your common denominator. So how to find out? Note down the question again. 5 by 6, comma 1 by 3, comma 2 by 9. Make the denominator as 18. So into 3 into 3 into 6 into 6 into 2 into 2. So this is nothing but your equivalent fractions. So 15 by 18, 6 by 18, 4 by 18. Did you understand? Now what is the question? They said arrange the following in descending order. So this is your question. Arrange the following in descending order. So now what you have to do? Just arrange descending order. 15 by 18, 6 by 18, 4 by 18. This is not your actual question. Your actual question is what? You have to note down. That is 5 by 6. 6 by 18 means 1 by 3 and 4 by 18 means 2 by 9. That is 5 by 6 greater 1 by 3, 2 by 9. So this is your descending order. Either you can get the answer in this form or you can write it in this form. Okay, now in case if you have any queries regarding the chapter fractions, you may clear the doubts anytime. Please feel free to send me the questions via Gmail ID. Thank you so much.